Hello coders, welcome to my channel. I am Aniket and today we will be discussing about problem number 3751 from LeetCode, that is total waviness of numbers in range first. Let's read the problem first. We were given two integers nums1 and nums2 representing an inclusive range nums1 to nums2. The waviness of a number is defined as the total count of its peaks and valleys. What is peak and what is valley? A digit is a peak if it is strictly greater than both of its immediate neighbors. Like if the digit, if the number is like this, then this digit is peak because it is strictly greater than both of its neighbors. Its left immediate neighbor is 3 and right immediate neighbor is 4, and it is strictly greater than both of them. That's why this digit is a peak. And what is valley? A digit is a valley if it is strictly less than both of its neighbor. So like if the digit is 4, 3 and 7, then this digit is a valley because it is strictly lesser than both of its immediate neighbors. So it is a valley. I hope you know now what is peak and what is valley. First and last digit of a number cannot be peak or valleys, and any number with fewer than 3 digits has a waviness of 0. Okay. Return the total sum of waviness for all numbers in the range nums1 and nums2. According to constraint, when I see constraint, it can be easily solved using brute force. What is the brute force method? In brute force method, we go from num1 to num2, and for each integer in between of both num1 and num2, for each integer count the number of peak and valleys. I do the same in my code also. Let's jump to the code directly because it is very implementation based problem, and I think it should be marked as easy because it can easily solve using brute force method. What I will do in this loop from num1 to num2 processing, and for each integer I will I will change it to string dig, and I will process it from index 1 to its length minus 1, because first and last first and last character or digit can't be peak or valley. That's why we process it from first digit to digit dot length minus 1, so that it will get safer from index out of bound error. That's why we process it index 1 to digit dot length minus 1. Like say if the number is like this, so we will process this integer from this to this, so that it is always guaranteed that there is a left immediate and the right immediate always present. That's why we process it from this, here and here. Similarly, if this is condition of peak, if you found any character where the character at j is greater than character j minus 1 and it is also greater than j plus 1, then you simply increment your wavy plus plus, and this condition is the condition of valley. If you found any digit of the integer where digit is lesser than its immediate left and digit is lesser than immediate right also, so you will increment your wavy again, and after that you will found the number of wavy digits into your wavy variable and simply return it to your function. I hope you got my code and the implementation of the code. It can be easily solved using brute force, so it is an easy problem. I hope you got my code and the implementation behind this code. Please considering like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.